Amazon PPC made easy. Watch me create an automatic campaign step by step. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first, you're gonna log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Make sure you are a professional seller. You can go to your settings and check if you're an individual seller or a professional seller. And if you are a professional seller, you're gonna have access to Campaign Manager. This is where you can set up your Amazon ads. So go to Campaign Manager. It's gonna look something like this, right? And what you're going to do is create a portfolio. A portfolio is like a folder. You just want to have it for one product. I only recommend, if it's your first time, just running ads for one product and have your folder name, aka your portfolio name, be your product. So we're going to click create a portfolio, and we're just going to say, let's say test. Let's like green single. So I'm going to be test. This is just a test portfolio. I'm gonna even put do not use. But you're gonna name it, and pretty much I like to put what the item is and the ASIN. So that way you remember, right? You're like, oh, this is this product right away. You don't get confused. One ASIN per portfolio is what I recommend you start with. You're gonna click create a portfolio. Now you have your own little portfolio, and we're going to be advertising this item right here. So you can click create a campaign. Now there's 4 automatic campaigns, and I recommend to make all 4, right? So what we want to do is we're going to copy this. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to be doing sponsored products. And that's what I recommend for your first type of campaign, is going to be sponsored products. Now, an ad group name doesn't matter as much right now, but you're going to click a product that you're doing, and it should match your portfolio. So if we go back to our portfolio, we can see that we want to run ads for this ASIN. So again, go back to your campaign builder, and you just want to click one product. And let's say we're doing this product. We added it because we're only doing we're doing the exact same one we said for our portfolio. We're going to scroll down, and we're doing automatic targeting. And we're going to click set bids for targeting. So this one's going to be a close match campaign. And it says the recommended bid is 23 cents. So we're just going to go a tiny bit higher just so it spends money. So 23 cents, we're just going to go to 25 cents, a couple cents more. I'm going to scroll down. We're going to keep scrolling. And then you're going to do dynamic bids down only, because if you do up and down, Amazon might double charge you. So let's just do down only. You know, this is your first campaign. Keep these all at 0. And now you're going to do your campaign name, right? So automatic campaign. And what did we do? We did close match. So this matches products that are close to the same as your product, so you show up. Daily budget, I recommend to start with at least $5 a day, but the best budget would be $10 a day, right? So you can do $10 a day or $5 a day. It's saying 30 bucks a day, but you don't have to start with 30 a day. You can start with $5 a day. So let's just do 5. If I was a brand new person, I would do $5 a day. Then you're going to click launch campaign. Now the campaign is going to show up in the portfolio. Let's see if it does. Yep, it's going to show up in the portfolio. So it's in our portfolio now. Let's go back to our portfolio. Let's go to portfolios, and we're going to click on that portfolio we made. And then there's that campaign, automatic close match. And we're going to make sure everything's there, and it should say it's complete. It should have a product in here in a second. If not, well, we'll add that back in. But again, you're going to click create campaign, and then we're going to make sure it's in the portfolio. So that's a close match campaign, and it does have the product in there. Right now it does say incomplete. I'm just going to refresh it really quick, see if it still says incomplete. If so, we'll fix it after we're done creating all of the campaigns. Okay, we'll have to come back in and click it and fix it. But what we're going to do now is go do the same thing, and we're going to click create campaign number 2. So the first campaign was we made an automatic close match. So your listing shows up close to items that are the same as yours. And now we're going to be doing another one. So here we go. And we're clicking add. So if you have multiple of the same ASIN, you can just add them all. If they're just the same exact ASIN. Okay, and then now we're going to click automatic, set bids, and now we're going to do loose match. And it also tells you what loose match is. We'll show your ad to shoppers who use search terms loosely related to your product. So if you sell a search term like bed sheets, bath sheets, and bath towels. So it kind of just shows if you sell cotton sheets, you're going to show up if somebody types in bath sheets, towels, bed sheets, right? And again, 26 cents, we're going to go up a little bit to 30 cents. We're going to do down only. We're going to keep those down, and we're going to do campaign name. How do we name it last time? Automatic campaign close match. We're going to do automatic campaign. And what is this one? This one's called loose match. We're doing a loose match. And again, $5 a day, launch campaign. Then we're going to set another one, sponsored products. Again, there's 2 more campaigns to create. We're going to copy that ASIN, put that in here. I'm going to add all of the products that are within the ASIN because some of them have inventory, some of them don't. And we're doing an automatic campaign still. And now we're going to be doing substitutes. And then you can read what a substitute is here, 13 cents. I'm just going to increase it by 3 cents to 16 cents. Scroll down, down only. And we're going to name the campaign. Again, we're going to see what we named it before. Automatic campaign. And this one is substitutes. Triple check, is it substitutes? It is. And this is where we can see what campaigns do the best, right? Is the close match, substitutes, loose match, and then there's one more that we're going to create. And the last one we are creating is going to be compliments. So another automatic campaign. Items, it's going to show up for items that are complementary to your product, that complement your product. So let's go. We're going to add all the products, and we're keeping it as manual targeting. We're going to click select targeting group, and we're going to do compliments. And again, 54 compliments is actually the most expensive out of all of these for 54 cents per click. So we're just going to increase it again to around an extra 3 cents to 57 per click. Scroll down, down only. We don't want Amazon to double charge us right now, unless we were trying to. And we're going to do automatic campaign, and we're going to do compliments. Compliment match. I spelled automatic wrong. That's okay. $5 a day, launch campaign. Now we're going to go back to the portfolio, and all of them should be in the portfolio. If they're not in the portfolio, I'll show you how to add them in. But they all are in the portfolio. So now it's easy to manage. I can see them all here. I can see the budget, the spend. I can also see the sales, the ACoS, the ROAS. And then I can come back tomorrow and see if it's spending, right? So they all say delivering here. This one says incomplete. So I want to fix this. Oh, that's because I just made it. So when you just make the campaign, sometimes it says incomplete, and it takes a little bit of time to actually show up and say delivering, right? Because that happened when we first created it. I was like, why does it say incomplete? Sometimes it takes a little bit for Amazon's system to kick in and start running. But that's pretty much it. Now you're going to wait, and you're going to see what does the best. When Amazon is going to look at your listing, and they're going to target products that are close to your listing for this one. This one, they're going to target products that are substitutes. This one, they're going to target complements. Sometimes they'll target loose match for this one. And you're going to see which one does the best. You're going to probably think that close match is going to do the best, but sometimes the competitors are really good. So substitutes are even better, or complements. People are buying bed sheets and they're like, oh, I also need a pillow. And you're selling a pillow, and yours shows up, and they want to add a pillow now. And it's a lot cheaper, right? So you want to see what does best. And then once you have that data, once you have sales, then you're going to see, okay, oh, close match is the best. You can turn off the other ones and increase your budget for the close match, right? And then once you have more sales for the close match, then you can download a report, and you can see, okay, what are customers typing in, and What is generating these sales for close match? Are people typing in bed sheets soft and then you're showing up? If so, you need to create another campaign targeting that. But pretty much this is it for today's video. For a beginner, this is a great start, and automatic campaigns usually work very well, especially if you split them out into 4 campaigns and only target one product. That way you can really see what's doing well with this product and what's not doing well with this product. And you have a little portfolio for organizational purposes. Now just check on it every other day, make sure it's spending, make sure everything's going well, and you'll be good to go. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new in today's video, drop a like. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with advertising, listing optimization, increasing sales on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com, link in description for more. This is what we specialize in, especially our #1 service where we'll come in and we'll manage all of your ads, create your ads, optimize your ads, and make sure you're generating more sales. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com for advertising management, and we're here to help. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.